Today we're going to be finding out how to get the door code to our Ford F150. This is a 2011. It's a pretty simple procedure, but it's not like any other Ford. It's on the passenger side, not the driver's side. Come over to the passenger side, and down here is the fuse box. So just move your carpet out a little bit and pull the back of the fuse box out like this. And then you can see right here is a code. And that code is for the buttons on your door to unlock your door. That's where your door code is. Now that we found our code, let's give it a try. There you go. That's how you find the door code on your Ford F150. If this video helped you, please click like and subscribe to our channel so we can show you how to make more fixes to your cars. Thanks for watching.